Bitcoin trades above $52,000, Ether stays below $3,000. Ether could be the next institutional darling, Bernstein says. Vanik admits ETF marketing violation, agrees to SEC fine. OpenAI valuation reportedly soars to $80 billion in latest deal. Crypto exchange fixed float faces crypto drainage worth $26 million. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets maintain their upward momentum going amid low volatility as issuance of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the US in January seems to have altered the market structure for Bitcoin. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
The IC15 index barometer of top 15 tokens surged 1.30% to 66,954. An interesting update on whale movement is released by on-chain analytics firm Sentiment. In 2024, wallets with 1,000 to 10,000 BTC accumulated 248,900 coins, while those with 100 to 1,000 BTC dumped 151,200 coins. In dollar terms, Bitcoin large whales owning 1,000 to 10,000 BTC have added $12.95 billion worth of BTC, while 100 to 1,000 BTC wallets reduced their stash by $7.89 billion worth of BTC. Meanwhile, investors have plowed billions of dollars into spot Bitcoin ETFs since they launched last month. They have attracted $11.4 billion in capital inflows in the past 5 weeks. Interestingly, the buyers of these funds are overall up more than 18% since Jan 11 debut. Not just institutional investors, the Bitcoin investing mania has hit Asian family offices too. Deal Street Asia reported that wealth managers found offices are already invested in crypto intent to dive even deeper. With allocations ranging from 1% to 5%, Asian family offices are leading the charge in diversified crypto exposure. While other major tokens such as Ether and Polygon's Matic recorded higher gains, artificial intelligence related tokens such as WorldCoin's WLD, Fetch AI's FET, BitInsour's TAO and Sleepless AI's AI jumped as much as 10% as technology firm OpenAI revealed its text-to-video generator Sora, sparking a run in the AI sector. The global crypto market cap is $1.98 trillion, a 1.18% increase over the last day. Interestingly, the crypto market traded $70 billion during the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin accounting for $19.7 billion of the volume. Overall, Bitcoin dominance has eased marginally but still above 51.8%. Ethereum has managed to push through $2,900 levels and the prices are up 24% since the beginning of 2024. US stock markets are shut on Monday in observance of President's Day holiday. Traders are looking ahead to the release of more quarterly earnings including Nvidia and Walmart, as well as the publication of minutes from the Federal Reserve's January gathering. Futures tied to the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures were quoting marginally higher. BTC was trading at $52,187, up by 0.53% in the last 24 hours. Analysts said some market observers are targeting a short-term level of $55,000 for Bitcoin with a long-term call of $70,000. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 3.16%, trading at $2,901. While Ether likely gained as expectations of an Ether ETF product offering the asset to US investors bumped up, a narrative that has boosted the Ethereum ecosystem in recent weeks. Well, if we talk about BNB, Binance's BNB token, it was down 1.48% to trade at $351. Next on the list, Solana Sol traded 1.2% lower at $111. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token lost 1% to trade at $0.63. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin rose 2% to $0.086. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.56, up by 0.11%. Next on the list, Polkadot's DOT was down by 0.5% to trade at $7.76. Talking about Polygon's Matic token, it was trading up by 6.18% at $1. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was down 0.25% and Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $39.7, down by 1.6%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin's recent rally has been driven by the spectacular introduction of exchange-traded funds. It may be time to now focus on Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency, broker Bernstein said in a research report on Monday. Ether is probably the only other digital asset likely to get a spot ETF approval by the SEC, the report said. Bernstein says there is about a 50% chance of Ether spot ETF approval by May and near certain probability of approval in the next 12 months. A number of traditional finance firms are vying for an Ether ETF in the US, which is boosting the token's medium-term outlook. Franklin Templeton, BlackRock, and Fidelity, all of which had Bitcoin ETFs approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission, are among firms that have submitted applications for an Ether ETF. The broker notes that institutions don't just want to launch Ether spot ETFs, they want to build more transparent and open tokenized financial markets on the Ethereum network, adding that the utility is beyond asset gathering. VanEck will pay a $1.75 million fine to resolve United States Securities and Exchange Commission charges linked to its 2021 launch of a social media-focused exchange-traded fund. The SEC imposed a civil penalty on the investment advisor. On Feb 16, the SEC revealed in a statement that during the VanEck Social Sentiment ETF launch in March 2021, VanEck did not fully disclose the participation of a prominent social media personality in marketing the product. The ETF aimed to follow an index using positive insights from social media and other data sources. However, the SEC discovered that VanEck sought to boost the fund's success via social media and collaborated with an influential and divisive online personality to enhance its appeal. The SEC criticized the hidden deal, focusing on VanEck's failure to inform the ETF's board about the influencer's intended involvement. This undisclosed arrangement had significant implications for the management contract and fund operations, violating the board's duty to oversee financial aspects during advisory contract discussions. OpenAI has reportedly signed a deal that has increased the valuation of the San Francisco artificial intelligence company to $80 billion or more, marking a nearly threefold increase in less than 10 months. According to a report in the New York Times, the firm plans to sell current shares in a tender offer led by Thrive Capital. This approach allows employees to sell their shares, differing from standard funding rounds to raise capital for business operations. In a comparable arrangement in 2023, venture capital firms Thrive Capital, Sequoia Capital, Anderson Horowitz, and K2 Global agreed to purchase OpenAI shares in a tender offer, establishing the company's value at approximately $29 billion, according to the report. In December 2023, it was reported that OpenAI was in discussions with investors considering investing more than $100 billion into the company. With insights from on-chain data, FixFloat, a decentralized crypto exchange, has been exploited for at least $26 million worth of Bitcoin and Ether. Sources confirmed the attack a few hours after it was first tweeted. The outflow is expected to take place due to minor technical problems and switched its services to maintenance mode. We confirmed that there was indeed a hack and theft of funds. We are not yet ready to make public comments on this matter, as we are working to eliminate all possible vulnerabilities, improve security, and investigate. Our service will be available again soon, FixFloat said. Since February 17, several users have reported stalled transactions and missing funds on the company's X page. As per on-chain data, over 400 Bitcoin worth around $21 million and more than 1,700 Ether worth about $5 million were drained on February 18th. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let's have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum experienced a 61.5% increase in transaction costs due to the excitement surrounding the experimental token standard ERC-404, reaching its highest level in 9 months. The network collected $84 million in gas fees last week, with gas prices per transaction rising to 71 GWEI. The surge occurred after the Pandora project exposure, which rose from $1,000 to $33,000 before falling again. Despite the price drop, the Pandora token has seen a 270% increase since its launch. ETH was trading at $2,908, up near 4% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have WorldCoin. Bitcoin is aiming to reach the $53,000 mark, but WorldCoin has seen a 76% surge in the last 7 days. A whale trader wallet, which named by 0x4A9, made a strategic move by withdrawing 2.09 million WLD tokens from Binance worth $5.82 million. The tokens contributed, which is $2.15 million to World's holdings, now standing at $8.03 million. This 80.3% surge, but missed an additional 25% gain, and it has catapulted WLD tokens by 25%, making it the 128th largest crypto, now at $8.03 million. WLD was trading at $7, up 43% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Filecoin. Filecoin has partnered with the Solana blockchain to enhance data scalability and accessibility. The move is a departure from Solana's centralized storage solutions, which will also optimize block history accessibility for infrastructure providers, explorers, and indexers. The collaboration ensures data redundancy and scalability and increased security while upholding decentralization principles. Filecoin's native token, FIL, has risen over 5% to over $6. Next on the list, we have ICP. Santiment, a crypto analytics firm, has revealed that Internet Computer, cloud-focused Web3 allocation altcoin project, has become the leader in crypto development activity. The decentralized network has recorded 46.9 GitHub entries in the last 30 days, surpassing all the other altcoin projects. ICP aims to revolutionize the internet with its serverless cloud feature. The native token is also trading at $13.45 with a slight drop of about 2% in the last 24 hours. Cardano, an Ethereum competitor, ranked second with 434.3 entries last month. ICP was trading at $14, up near 4% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have WEN. The WEN price has experienced a 20% surge in the past 24 hours and 141% surge in a week. The surge is a part of a strong rally in the crypto market, with the S&P cryptocurrency broad digital market index soaring 21% this month. The WEN price is currently on an uptrend, trading the cup and handle pattern, supporting an anticipated bull run. Technical indicators are generally bullish, and Smog, a new meme coin, has also erupted on the crypto scene, which is also based on the Solana blockchain.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.